Glock, Glock, Glock. And this ain't Valentine album, nigga. Glock. Get chopped, then we get on his ass. Spin dotted block just like a fish. I love spend money for real. My shit come back just like a boomerang. I be in the trap, playing with the dope like Play-Doh and shit. Play pussy, get fucked, fake Glock, tell that bitch, damn. These niggas be bitchin', these niggas be capping, no hats, no shirts, damn. I'm at it for a nigga neck, I ain't talking no calling. I bought my bitch like a soup in the bow tie, like for real. You can judge me, you ain't God, give a fuck how you feel. I'm walking on money, you walking on water, you trying to be Jesus. I'm fucking your daughter, I'm fucking your wife, I'm fucking your mama. She sucking my dick, she kissing it, ooh, she gobble and spit. I hop in the Benz, I might do the dad, I'm driving real fast. You drop out the Hellcat, fuck that, I might just crash. Pull up in the Hunter, let back the summer, show out my arm. On my birthday, I might go to the script club. Throw a band in, we like for real, baby. Yeah, remember when I went to sand truck. Throw about 100 racks there. You ain't never ball like me. You can't even be like me. Know that you a pussy nigga. Hell nah, we don't fuck with you. This chopper get wrapped up. This a Glock get kicked now. It starts. Niggas ain't real, they fake. You can't even trust these hoes or these niggas. Yo, what a loyalty at. You and my nigga take your fucking toes. Now I can't trust you no more. Try to rob me, that drink unload. Life for real. If I ever go broke, I'ma rob again. Or go in houses and shit. Open the Glock. Where the money, bitch? Where the same fat? Where the guns at? I need all that. Where your plug at? Calling my phone, talk about get her the pack back, but I ain't giving shit back. Come get it back in blood, got me feeling like shiesty.